Hi guys, welcome to Tech 360. In this video I'm gonna be showing you how to fix AMD graphic driver error in 182 in Windows 10 or 11. So in this case all you have to just go here, search type and write device manager. Go to device manager and you will find here one thing, display adapters. Double click, then you will see your graphic card, which is NVIDIA, AMD or Intel, whatever. My one is NVIDIA, so I will just put my cursor here and I will right click, then update the driver, update it, search automatically for drivers. Okay, you can see that the drivers for your device has been installed. So what to do now, you just simply go here and restart your computer and try and see back that your problem has been solved or not. If not, then now double click on this, go driver, and you'll find here rollback driver. Okay, mine one is disabled, but if you find this enable, then click on this rollback driver. It will roll back your driver to the previous or the old version. Okay, so it may work for you. You can try this one, rollback driver. Now the third step is just right click on this specific driver, specific display adapters, then go update driver, then choose this one, browse my computer for drivers. Now click on next. Okay, not next, let me pick from this available. Click on this and you can see here your graphic driver, one or that can be multiple. Just click on next and install the drivers. After installing this, all of these things, the last option you can go here, check for updates. Click on check for updates and you can see that Windows is update here. If you find any update in Windows, you must update it, or if your Windows is up to date, then just leave it here and restart your computer. After restart, your problem will be solved as my belief. So yeah, this is how you can do this, guys. If you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.